Want to make spooky art but don't have a lot of time? Today I'm conjuring up a quick, sinister little project, perfect for Halloween or any gothic enthusiast. Do stay until the end, as I have a second variation you won't want to miss. Take a small sheet of A6 watercolour paper and draw a rectangle. Add a triangle to the top of it and a small oval to the bottom right. This is the skeleton for your artwork. Now that we have the composition we like, we can flesh it out. Beginning with the rectangle, fill in a pile of books, dusty old tomes that are filled with wicked spells and ghastly curses. Have each book at a slightly different angle for a more interesting, disarrayed look. Now for the triangle. This is going to be a witch's hat. Make it as tall or squat as you like. I'm going to curl mine a little at the top, adding to the quirkiness of the scene, and creating some creases and folds in the fabric of the hat to make it more convincing. I'd like to adorn it with a cute bow as well. This witch clearly has a great fashion sense. A little dangling spider finishes it off nicely. Finally, turn your oval into a mini pumpkin to really set off the Halloween look. Complete with a cheeky little grin. Bring life to your drawing with a splash of paint. Watercolour can help evoke an ethereal, wispy effect, so that's what I'm opting for. Let each layer dry before adding more, unless you want the colours to bleed together for an eerie, ghostly look. I created a longer, larger Halloween project last week that's really fun and quite unique. I'll link it here and down below in the description if you'd like to watch that too. I'm painting the ribbon in a vibrant blue for reasons that will be revealed in the next step. Now give your painting a more striking look by giving it a black outline, adding in some extra details along the way, like creases on the hat, the pages and spines of the books, and of course the pumpkin's carved face. I'm almost finished. I just want to add in a few shadows to add a little more depth and contrast. And there we are. Here's where we turn it into a display piece. Visit your local Halloween store and hunt for some wrapping paper, or maybe you already have some at home. I found this stunning paper in a bookstore and I just had to buy it. Look at it, it's so beautiful. At the time I wasn't sure what I would use it for, and this is my first idea. Gift wrap isn't just for presents, it can have a multitude of uses. Take your paper, then lay your artwork on top of it. Draw an outline around your artwork on your wrapping paper. Then take a larger piece of paper, this is A5 size, and draw an outline around it as well. Cut this out for the perimeter of your frame. For the inner cutout, measure a few millimetres within your A6 outline and cut out a rectangle. So you have something that looks like this. Add some glue to the inner rim of the frame. Then glue down your archaic artwork in the centre. Use a sheet of paper to help compress the frame onto the art. And voila! A beautiful border for your fiendish work. Now you can see why I chose blue for the ribbon, because it coordinated with the blue in the paper. I've also chosen other matching colours, the orange with the pumpkin, the green with the leaves, the yellow with the stars, and the grey-black with the background. If you can match your colours like this, it really helps lift the piece. I also did another version using black card and pastel. This was inspired by my other Halloween video I mentioned earlier. For this one, I created a white border by sticking some white paper behind the black card. Any colour of card works, but it does help aesthetically if it matches one of the colours in your wrapping paper. What colours and haunted drawings will you conjure up for your display? Comment below as I'd really love to know. Have a spooky evening!